Welcome to Computer Tips, Tricks, and Shortcuts. If you have a question, leave us a comment and we will try to answer your question. Now, let's get started. Hi, Nancy here with Computer Tips, Tricks, and Shortcuts. And today we're going to talk about the VLOOKUP formula. An amazing formula that can save you hours of time, especially if you use very large spreadsheets with lots of data, hundreds of rows, and you need to transfer information from one spreadsheet to another. The one thing you need to know about a VLOOKUP is that the spreadsheets that you do transfer data from one to another have to have a common column, like a product number, customer number, phone number, something that is the exact same on both spreadsheets. And that's how the formula can find information and bring it over for you. Let me show you how it works. So our first spreadsheet here has product information, the number, the description, inventory, prices. The other spreadsheet, I just have the product number and the description. And I decide I want to have the retail price on this spreadsheet. So let's type a column header. Oops. And then we're going to go to C2 and we're going to put the formula. And you can start that by clicking Insert Function. And then up comes this box showing you different functions that Excel has. I have listed the most recently used. And if what you are looking for is not here, you can go in this box and just start typing. But VLOOKUP is here, it's highlighted, so we're going to say OK. And then here is a little workbook that helps you put the formula in. The first thing it wants is a lookup value. That is, what is the formula looking up? That's going to be the column that has the common columns between the spreadsheets. So in our case, it's the product number, so I'm going to highlight column A. Then tab down, and your first spreadsheet is going to be where the table is. That is where the information is you want brought over. So the first column you highlight's got to be the common column between the sheets. So that's A, and then we're going to highlight over to column E, and that's where the retail price is. And you can see there's this little box floating over column F. It has the number of rows we're highlighting and 5C. 5C means it's the fifth column. That's where the information is that we need. Let go on your mouse, tab down, and then you put 5 for that column. Tab down, range lookup. That means that do you want a close match or do you want an exact match? I always use exact match. So we're going to type in the word false. So that means that, say in A2 we have product number 9824. I'm telling the formula I want you to look at the other spreadsheet and get an exact match, only find exactly 9824 and bring over the information that's in column 5. So say OK. And there's $3.36. So let's double check on our first spreadsheet for 9824. Here's 9824 and the retail price is $3.36. So now we can drag our column down, our formula down, and have the information for each item. So you're in the cell. On the bottom right corner is a little box. You hover over it. Your cursor will turn into a black plus sign. It's not on the video. My cursor just stays a white arrow, but when you do it, it'll be a black plus sign. So click in that little box and then drag down, let go, and then you've got your retail price for all your items. It doesn't matter what order this spreadsheet's in because the formula is only looking at this number on this sheet in this table in column 5 and puts that information. That's how VLOOKUP works. Practice. It will help you immensely. We'll talk more about VLOOKUP formulas in future videos. For now, practice this one and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.